We use data validation to control the type of data or the values that users enter into a cell. To apply data validation in Excel, select one or more cells to validate. On the Data tab, in the Data Tools group, click Data Validation. In the Data Validation dialog box, click the Settings tab, and then select the type of data validation that you want. You can use data validation to restrict data entry to a certain range of dates, or make sure that only positive whole numbers are entered. For example, if you want users to enter a positive whole number, in the Allow box, select Whole Number. In the Data box, select Greater Than. Enter 0. To display an input message when the cell is clicked, click the Input Message tab, and then enter title and the input message that you want. To specify a response when users enter invalid data in the cell, click the Error Alert tab, and then enter the alert title and message that you want. Now click Apply. When you hover mouse over selected cells, you can see a message appears near the cell. When you try to enter number less than 0, you see a data validation error alert. This alert signifies that the owner of the workbook applied data validation. Click Retry. Enter a number greater than 0. Now Excel is not showing error message. Try entering both valid and invalid data in the cells to make sure that your settings are working as you intended and your messages are appearing when you expect. To remove data validation from cells, select the cells. Go to Data Validation. Click Clear All. And then Apply.